What's up everyone and welcome to the club and welcome to another Sketch Saturday. In today's video we're drawing Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story. For today's lesson we're using a black 4B pencil. I'm going to use a side grip using the flat edge. Let's start sketching out the facial features. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to start on the top left. We're going to sketch a circle going all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. And pull that in, and down towards the same height, and then around the right side. Now we're going to add the eyelids along the top of the eye. Let's start on the left. I'm just going to curve this up, and then down on the inside, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now the iris on the left is going to be pulled in towards the inside. So let's draw a circle, going all the way around, back up towards the top, and then the iris on the right is going to sit right in the middle. Now we want to turn the head slightly over towards the left side. So let's start with the top edge of the nose. Starting from the inside edge of the left eye, we're going to angle down and out towards the bottom of the nose. Flatten this off with a straight line coming in, and we'll just pull that up and out towards the left. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, curve this up, and bend that back down on the right side. Go back to the left side, step up, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down, around, and then up on the right. Let's add a crease on the corners of the mouth. From this point, we're going to step in, curve this out, and then down. Go to the right side, go out, and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the nose, draw a straight line going up towards the brow. And we'll curve the brow, going up and then out. Curve around the side of the head and then back in. Let's go back to the top, step over towards the right, and then down. Curve the eyebrow going out and then up. And then bend this around and then back in. Now to go back to the left side and add some thickness. Starting from the inside, just taper this out, come around and then down towards the bottom, and then we'll lightly shade in the inside of the eyebrow. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side. From the inside, we're going to taper this out, and then up, round up the top, come down and then in, and we'll shade in the inside of the eyebrow. Now from here we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the chin. Let's start from the outside of the brow, come straight down, go to the outside of the right eyebrow, draw another straight line. Let's round out the lower half of the head. Starting back on the left, curve the cheek going out, come down, and then in towards the bottom of the chin. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. And go out, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a curve in between the top of the eyebrows. Starting on the left, curve this up, and then back down. And then we'll go back to the left side, curve the top of the head going up, across towards the right. I'm just going to pull that down towards the side of the head, right about there. And then we'll add an oval along the side of the head, coming in and down. Just pull that back up towards the top. Let's go to the bottom of the oval, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the neck. Let's go back to the left side and round out the side of the neck. Starting underneath the chin, curve this in and then out towards the same height. And we'll add the edge of the suit. Stepping out, curve up the middle, and then back down on the right. Now we see the back edge of the suit come in towards the side of the neck. So start on the left, curve this out, and then up. And we'll continue that curve over on the right side. Let's add a light shade along the side. I'm just going to fade that out as we go out toward the left and the right side. Now that we have the basic shape of the head, let's add a second level of detail. We start with the ear cover on the left side, starting from the side of the head, curve out, and then back in. Then we'll add that swirl in the center of the chin, starting on the left, come down, and up, almost like drawing a circle, and then we'll just pull that back in towards the middle. And we'll add a little bit more shape to the mouth. On the left side, come down and in. I'm just going to round out the bottom of the mouth, going out, pull that out and up. And then we'll separate the top and bottom row of teeth with a curve, going up the middle and then down. Now I'm going to switch to the tip of my pencil and add a smaller circle in the center of the iris for the pupil. Let's start on the left, going all the way around and back up toward the top. And then we'll fill in the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's continue with the tip of our pencil and add some details starting with the iris. Starting from the very top, I'm just going to darken up the outside edge. Then add a small highlight circle on the top right, and then we'll lightly shade in the outside of the iris. Let's go back and darken up that pupil. We're just going to tuck the right eyelid underneath the right eyebrow. I'm going with the side edge of my pencil and just adding a shadow across the bottom edge of the eyelid. I'm just going to add a light shadow across the right side of the head and the bottom of the chin. And we're just fading that out as we come in towards the center of the face. And as we get closer to the end of our drawing, we're going to tighten up our shadows and add that dome across the top of the head. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Buzz Lightyear. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.